This is the visible light spectrum. This is by Weston Clayton and Alyssa Fudge.
Electromagnetic waves are created by the vibration of an electric charge. The wave has both an electric and magnetic component and transports energy through a vacuum at 3 × 10⁸ meters per second. The electromagnetic spectrum is the range of all types of electromagnetic radiation. There's radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma rays. This is a picture of the electromagnetic spectrum. Characteristics of visible light. The only wavelength that the cones in eyes can sense are our eyes perceive the light as different colors based on its wavelength. Visible light can cause electrical and chemical changes in some materials. It can fade colors in a few materials, such as fabric and paint. It can also change the temperature of objects.
Is data. Visible light corresponds to a wavelength range of 400 to 700 nanometers and a color range of violet through red. Violet light has a wavelength of 400 nanometers, indigo light has 445 nanometers, blue light is 475, green light's 510 nanometers, yellow light is 570 nanometers, orange light is 590 nanometers, and red light is 650 nanometers. Visible light frequency ranges from 430 trillion hertz, seen as red, to 750 trillion hertz, seen as violet. Sources. The sun is the dominant source of light that our eyes receive. Light waves are given off by anything that's hot enough to glow. Light bulbs also create visible light. Uses. Since visible light is the part of the electromagnetic spectrum that our eyes can see, the whole world is oriented around it. Colors on the visible light spectrum are used in weather maps to show an incoming storm. Telescopes collect visible light to help identify objects very far away.